Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn Noorani Qaida, lesson 2nd and part 8. And this lesson is brought to you by mydhahome.com. If you are living in Pakistan or overseas and want a beautiful home for your kids in Pakistan or invest in high yielding property in Pakistan, mydhahome.com is your stop for all your real estate needs in Pakistan. Visit now mydhahome.com. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا فا يا فا يا فا. Ya has two dots below, Fa has one dot on top. Ya Fa. Please read after me. Ya Fa. Ya Fa. This is single Ya, but when we write Arabic, Ya will write like this, and Ya has two dots below. Ya Fa. Ya is below, Fa is green. Please read after me. Ya Fa. Ya Fa. Ya Fa. Ya Fa. Ba Ain Dal. Ba Ain Dal. Ba Ain Dal. This is single ba. When we write ba in words, ba will write like this, and we will recognize ba by dot. Ba has one dot below. This is a ain. Ain has no dot, and this is single ain. And when we write Arabic, ain will use or ain will write like this. So you must recognize this shape. This is single ain. You should recognize this one as well, and you will recognize this ain. Ain, ain. If you don't recognize this ain, you cannot read Quran, because ain comes in Quran maybe 5,000 times, 10,000 times, maybe more. So if you don't recognize ain, you can make thousand and thousand mistakes in Quran. So you must recognize this shape. Ain. Please focus on this letter because there is no dot. You have to recognize this shape. Ba Ain Dal. Ba is maroon, Ain is blue, Dal is green. Ba Ain Dal. Please read after me. Ba Ain Dal. 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 Ya Shin Noon. Ya Shin Noon. This is single Ya. When we write Ya in words, Ya will write like this. Ya has two dots below, and Sheen has three dots on top. You must know Sheen has three dots on top. If you don't know Sheen's dot, you cannot recognize this letter. You must know Sheen has three dots on top. Ya Sheen Noon. Ya is maroon, Sheen is blue, Noon is green. Please read after me. Ya Sheen Noon. 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 Ya Mim. Ya Mim. This is single ya, and this is ya when we write in words. Ya has two dots below, and this is meme. Meme has no dot. You must recognize meme shapes. This is single meme, but when we write in Arabic, meme will use like this. Even meme has one other shape when meme comes in middle of word. Inshallah, we will teach you in later lessons. Ya meme. Please read after me. Ya meme. Ya meme. Ya meme. Ya meme. Okay, let's practice one more time without English help. If you still need English helps, you can rewind this lesson and you can take some help from English. But after all, you have to learn, you have to recognize without English help. Ya fa. Please read after me. Ya fa. Ya fa. Ya fa. Ya fa. Ba ain dal. Ba ain dal. Ba ain dal. Ba ain dal. Ya sheen noon. Please read after me. Ya sheen noon. Ya sheen noon. Ya sheen noon. Ya meme. Please read after me. Ya meme. Ya meme. Ya meme. Ya meme. Okay, we have completed today's lesson. Inshallah, tomorrow we will learn next section of second lesson, which will be section 9. Inshallah, you will learn tomorrow. If you don't understand anything or you have any question, please ask in comment section below. We will give you quick answer, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.